Which commercial-grade weed eater line dispenser is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, 0.065-inch replacement spools, a 4-pack. We have the Heart .065 replacement spools, a pack of 4 priced at $20. What caught my eye is the solid 4.3 star rating from 172 reviews. If you want reliable, consistent performance in your weed eater, this is worth a serious look. The .065-inch diameter is perfect for residential trimmers, which is exactly what many homeowners need. These spools are designed with quick replacements, so you can get back to work without wasting time. Plus, at just 5.3 ounces, they're lightweight and easy to handle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of struggling with flimsy lines that break easily, these spools provide a durable solution. Now, some people complained about the line not fitting all models. Here's the thing though, if you own a compatible trimmer, you'll find these spools to be an excellent choice for reliability. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner looking for dependable, easy-to-use replacement lines. Skip this one if you have a professional-grade trimmer that requires a different specification. For the price, this is a solid value for everyday use. Now, if the compatibility issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Desert Extrusion Cyclone C155D1. Let's talk about the Cyclone C155D1, which is a 0.155-inch by 105-foot commercial line priced at $27.95. This caught my attention because it's made in the USA and has some impressive features. If you're serious about your landscaping, this one is worth a serious look. The proprietary copolymer nylon provides superior strength, which means it can handle tough jobs without fraying. The patented 6-bladed shape increases cutting power, so you can tackle thick grasses and weeds with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever faced a job where your line just couldn't keep up, this might be the solution you need. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit tough to spool correctly. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the performance that comes with this line. This is perfect for you if you're a professional landscaper or someone with heavy-duty trimming needs. Skip this one if you're just doing light yard maintenance. For the quality, the price point feels justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a balance between performance and cost.
Product number 3, Terra Products Commercial Grade 095 Trimmer Line. We have the Terra Products Commercial Grade 095 Trimmer Line, priced at just $9.17 for 49 feet. This line stood out because it's designed for tough jobs. If you're looking for strong performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It's made from nylon PA6, which offers great abrasion resistance, combined with nylon PA66 for wear and heat resistance. This means you can use it longer without worrying about wear and tear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're frequently clearing tough weeds, this line's durability is exactly what you need. Some users mention that it can wear out faster in heavy-use scenarios. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for regular residential trimming, it will definitely hold its own. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that still performs well for home use. Skip this if you're a professional needing something ultra-durable for daily tasks. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if you're looking for something a little more heavy-duty, stick around for the next product. Product number 4, Cyclone Desert Extrusion CY155D1 in a 2-pack, priced at $45.95. This option caught my eye because it's perfect for those who have multiple trimmers or really want to stock up. If you're in the landscaping business, this one is definitely worth a look. You get the same 0.155-inch diameter and 105 feet length, packed with the same proprietary copolymer nylon for that superior strength. The fact that it's a 2-pack means you won't have to worry as much about running out when you're in the middle of a job. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on multiple properties, having a backup line is crucial. Some customers pointed out that the packaging could be improved for storage. Here's the thing, if you're using it professionally, you'll appreciate the performance far more than any minor packaging issue. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer who needs reliable, heavy-duty line. Skip this if you're just doing occasional yard work and don't need such a high volume. For the performance, this is a solid investment. Now, if you want something that's even longer lasting, let's check out the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Tear Products Commercial Grade 095 Trimmer Line, 1,293 feet. We have the Tear Products Commercial Grade 095 Trimmer Line, but this time in a massive 1,293 feet option for $40.25. This immediately grabbed my attention because of its length and durability. If you're tackling big jobs or just want to stock up, this is definitely worth a serious look. This line is also made with the same tough nylon PA6 and PA66 blend for both abrasion and heat resistance. Having almost 1,300 feet means you can keep trimming without constantly needing replacements. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a contractor or have a large property, this will save you time and hassle. Some reviews mentioned it can be difficult to spool if you're not used to it. Here's the thing, once you get accustomed to it, the savings in the long run are undeniable. This is perfect for you if you manage larger properties or frequently perform landscaping. Skip this if you're just doing occasional home gardening. For the amount of line you get, the price is fantastic. In conclusion, we've looked at 5 solid options. From budget-friendly choices to professional-grade lines, there's something here for everyone's needs.
So there you have it, 5 top contenders in the commercial-grade weed eater line dispensers. Whether you need something for light home use or heavy-duty professional work, these products have you covered. Do your research and choose the one that fits your needs best.